We're gonna rock out some sloppy joes today using ground bison. Bison is so much more flavorful and yummy than ground beef. Love garlic, so I'm gonna add a tablespoon of garlic. And this recipe typically calls for a diced up sauteed onion, but my son doesn't like onions, so I'm gonna add in some powdered onion instead and see if he notices. This is my organic pepper, and you can add some salt too, just to whatever taste you like with salt and pepper. And then a couple of tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. This is not an organic one, but I just recently found an organic one at the store, and so I'm slowly turning things over to all organic. A couple of tablespoons of mustard. This is organic mustard. I added 4 tablespoons of mustard here. This recipe is double. And then 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then we're going to use the entire bottle of ketchup. And then once you empty out your ketchup bottle, you're going to fill that up with water and add some water. Oh, look, we have a visitor. Did you notice? Smells good, huh, buddy? And then he decided to take watch, he's gonna grab that mustard cap and he licks the mustard cap. And then Grandpa comes and scoops him out of the way so Grandma can finish cooking. And this is your slop for your bison sloppy joe. And it tastes absolutely terrific. You will not have leftovers. The kids are gonna love it, the adults are gonna love it, and I chose to get some buns from the bakery that is there at the grocery store. So I've got my big buns for the adults and the little slider buns for the little ones. And they absolutely loved it. And then I did another video on macaroni and cheese, and that is what we paired this with this evening. So check out the easy macaroni and cheese recipe as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share this video, and try the recipe. You're gonna love it. The recipe is listed in the description below.